Hey there. Welcome back. Today, we are in the living room. And I'm feeling a little thoughtful. I have a social event this weekend. And I want to make a good impression. You know, Eddy? Starting conversations can be tricky.
Tricky for humans, maybe. I just look at them. It usually works.
Right. So I thought we could practice some small talk. Small talk is the polite conversation we have with people we don't know well. It's about everyday topics. Let's start with breaking the ice. This phrase means to start a conversation with someone for the first time. Okay, first question. Are you busy right now? Busy means you have many things to do. A simple answer could be, not really, what's up? Not really is a softer way to say no. And what's up is very informal. It means, how can I help you?
I'm never busy for a nap or a snack.
Okay, another useful question. Do you live nearby? Nearby means close to here. A good positive answer is, yeah, just a few streets away. This is a friendly way to say you live close. Let's practice making plans. You could ask, are you free this weekend? Free is the opposite of busy. It means you have no plans. And the answer, yeah, I'm free on Saturday. Notice the preposition on for days. On Saturday, on Monday.
I'm free every day. This is the good life.
Here's a very common one. Is this your first time here? A great way to start a conversation. You can answer and ask back. Yes, it's my first time. How about you? How about you is a simple way to ask the same question back. It keeps the conversation going. Now let's talk about daily life. These questions help you get to know someone's routine. Do you usually cook at home? Usually is an adverb of frequency. It means most of the time. A good answer is, yes, I cook most evenings.
He is a good cook, especially when something falls on the floor.
Or you can ask about health. Are you feeling better now? This is a kind question for someone who is sick. Answer, yeah, much better, thanks. Much better shows a big improvement. How about this one? Do you watch TV at night? A simple habit question. Yes, I usually watch something after dinner. And another about transportation. Do you take the bus to work? We use the verb take for public transport. Take the bus, take the train. No, I usually drive. Here, drive means to use a car. Let's check one more from this section. Do you read before bed? This is about your nightly routine. A nice, calm question. Yeah, almost every night. The phrase almost every is useful. It means you do it most nights, but maybe not all of them. Okay, Eddy, let's move on. After breaking the ice, we need to find common ground. This means finding things you both like. A good way to start is with skills. Are you good at cooking? The structure is good at, plus a noun, or a verb with an ing ending. For example, good at math, or good at running. A humble answer could be, I'm okay, but I'm not great. This shows you can do it, but you're not an expert.
I'm good at finding sunny spots. A very important skill.
Now for a classic topic, sports. Do you play any sports? The verb play is used for team sports and ball games like play football or play tennis. A simple answer. Yes, I play football on Sundays. For other activities, we use go or do. We say go swimming or go running. And we say do yoga or do karate. This next phrase is very important. Are you into music? The phrase to be into something means you really like it. It's your hobby or passion. You could be into books, into movies, or into hiking. A positive answer is, yes, I listen to music every day.
I am into naps. Deeply, profoundly into naps.
We can also ask about habits. Do you exercise regularly? Regularly means often on a schedule. Yes, 3 times a week. This answer is specific and clear. Here is a great question about languages. Do you speak any other languages? Yes, a little Spanish. A little is a good way to say, you are not fluent, but you know some.
I speak dog and human. I understand everything he says.
This next one is fun. Are you a morning person or a night owl? A morning person loves the morning. A night owl loves the night. These are common English idioms. I think I'm more of a morning person. How about you, Eddy?
I am a whenever breakfast is ready person.
Good answer. Finally, a very open question. What do you do for fun? This lets the other person share whatever they want. It's a great way to find a connection. I think that's a good place to pause. We've covered a lot of ground. All right, Eddy, time for part 3. Let's practice the conversation at the actual event. Imagine we're at a nice, cozy cafe. The waiter comes to our table. He might ask, "Are you ready to order?" And I could say, "Yes, I'll have the pasta, please." It's very common and polite when ordering food.
I'll have whatever he's having. And also a side of bacon.
Then the waiter might ask, "Would you like anything to drink?" Remember, "Would you like?" is a very polite way to ask. It's better than "Do you want?" I can simply reply, "Yes, a glass of water, please." During the meal, it's good to check in. "Is everything okay with your meal?" This question shows that you care. A happy response would be, "Yeah, it's perfect, thank you." Now, what if the place is crowded? You see a table with one empty chair. You should ask, "Is this seat taken?" Taken means occupied or not free. Hopefully they'll say, "No, go ahead." Go ahead is a friendly invitation. It means yes, you can.
My seat is never taken. But I appreciate being asked.
Okay, the conversation is going well. Now you want to make a future plan. You can make an invitation. Do you want to join us for dinner? Join us means come with us. A wonderful, enthusiastic response is, "Yes, I'd love to." It's much stronger than just yes. Now for the money part. Paying the bill. You can ask your friend, "Do you want to split the bill?" To split the bill is a phrasal verb. It means to divide the cost equally between everyone. The common answer is, "Yes, let's split it." Simple and fair.
I never split my food. Bills are a strange human invention.
This has been really productive, Eddy. I feel much more prepared now. We just have one part left. The conclusion and final thoughts. Okay, Eddy, the final part. How to conclude a conversation politely. It's important to have a good ending. You can say something like, "It was great talking to you." This is simple, warm, and positive. If you want to see them again, you can add, "Let's do this again sometime." Sometime is vague, so it's low pressure. It's a casual invitation for the future.
A good ending is also a belly rub. Just a suggestion.
I'll keep that in mind, Eddy. And finally, you can say, Take care. This is a very common and kind way to say goodbye. You know what? After all this practice, I'm not nervous anymore. I'm actually excited about the event. The biggest lesson here isn't just memorizing phrases. It's about being genuinely curious. Listen to people. Ask them about themselves. And just be yourself.
He was ready all along. He just needed to talk it out.
Thank you so much for joining us on this little practice session. I hope it was as helpful for you as it was for me. Remember to practice your English a little bit every day. Take care and see you next time.